Now we're at the butcher, we're gonna buy some beef, take it back to the shop so we can reverse sear. So I have my New York strip in the smoker. So I'm gonna use a pellet smoker because there's no direct heat on this. It's just a lot of ambient temperature. So I'm just gonna slowly cook it, probably for about 15-20 minutes. I want that to turn out pretty mid-rare by the time I'm done searing it, so I'm not gonna bring it too far along this way, but we're gonna get some nice smoke in there. And just bring it to a nice temperature. Okay, we're done our low and slow cook now. It's still nice and soft, nice even cook, nice and smoky. We have our cast iron we can add some oil to. Just watch the handle on cast iron. It carries the heat. And we're just going to take that bad boy. Many ways to do this. You can just sear it in oil, you can butter baste it. There's really no right or wrong way as long as it tastes good when it's done. We're going to cook this on high heat. We don't want to cook too much of the steak. We just want to get a nice crunchy outside to it. Camera roll. Start to get some color on there.